Hey guys, it is me, and today we're going to be making delicious, dreamy chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, let's get on to the video. Just in case if you're making this at home, here's the recipe and all of your ingredients you're going to need, just so you don't have to watch the whole video and look at every single ingredient, and the directions are also there. So let's get started. So a half cup of just normal granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 1 teaspoon salt, and you're going to melt 1 stick or a half cup of butter, and then pour it in.
Now that the butter is melted, I'm just going to make sure with a measuring half cup of the liquid, just to make sure it's half cup, because this seems like way more than a half cup. Just going to measure it in. Oh, it is a half cup, okay. Good to know.
Going to whisk until smooth. Going to mix it a bit more off camera because it's hard to hold the iPad and mix at the same time. See you guys in a second. When you're done, it should look somewhat like this. So now we're going to go on to the next step. Put your vanilla in. Going to now whisk until smooth. Once you're done mixing, it should look dreamy and delicious, just like this. Alright, so now we add in our dry ingredients. So you're going to put your 1 1/4 cup of flour in your sifter, and then, of course, sift with your baking soda as well. After you've added in your half of your dry ingredients, you're going to go ahead and you're just going to fold it in there all nice. Then add your second half, and then I will see you for the next step. Okay, so after you've mixed it, your dough should look somewhat like this, nice and smooth. And guys, listen to this sound. I don't know if you can hear it. It's so nice. So this recipe is actually from Tasty, and they do say to refrigerate it, but I don't know what that does, and I ain't got time for that. So I am just gonna go right ahead, add my chocolate chips, and I'm gonna add something else too that you guys can also do, and then we will get right into the baking. Alright, so we're going to make like separate cookies with like separate. So I've got just a few candy bar thingies. I've got white chocolate and like milk chocolate and dark chocolate. Alright, so you're going to want to set your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes. Look at those oh so delicious cookies baking.
So good in here, but they're still pretty warm, so just let them chill out and hang out here, and I will see you when they're done.
So here they are, all cooled, and let's see what they look like inside. Let's see what they look like inside. Very nice, very nice. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.